Sika's single-ply roof membranes, like polyvinyl chloride and thermoplastic polyolefin, totally change the game when it comes to durable, flexible roofing that lasts and handles all kinds of weather. So here's the deal with these membranes. First off, polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, has been around forever, like over 50 years, and it's super reliable. It's great because you can get it in all kinds of colors and styles, which means your roof doesn't have to look boring. Plus, it's easy to fix if anything goes wrong, which is clutch for keeping costs down. The hot air welded seams make sure everything sticks together tight without any weak spots. Then there's thermoplastic polyolefin, or TPO, which is flexible and handles heat and moisture really well, so it's perfect if you're dealing with tricky climates. Both membranes are quick to install no matter the weather, which saves a ton of time and hassle. They also breathe a bit, so moisture doesn't build up underneath, helping prevent nasty mold or damage. And get this, installation doesn't require flames or fire, making the whole process safer on site. One of the biggest mistakes with single-ply roofing is picking the wrong membrane for your climate or roof type, like using PVC, where TPO would handle heat better. Fix that by checking the weather patterns and asking pros what fits your project best. Another common issue is poor seam welding. If the joints aren't sealed right, water gets in and ruins everything. Make sure your installer uses proper hot air welding techniques and inspects all seams carefully. Also, people often overlook maintenance. Just because these roofs are durable doesn't mean you can forget about them. Regular inspections and quick repairs go a long way to keep your roof in top shape and avoid costly future work. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the headache of endless searching. It also helps contractors connect with real clients looking for their specific skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.